Okay, so I kind of already started, but this is their new high def powder, and it's incredibly smaller than the older one. So I finished the new one, and then I took the tweezers, and at the edge I just kind of popped this guy off, and I didn't mark it or anything. You just kind of, you know, take some tweezers, kind of push it up, so got that guy out, and then took my little face pad over there. I got the OG, the real big one, and you can see there's still a ton in there. I've had this for like 2 years, so that's probably why they started making it smaller. So I just emptied a ton of that in there, and then obviously made a mess. And then I'm going to put this guy back on. As long as you don't crimp the sides, it's going to stay right on there. You're not going to hear it snap because it's really just flush in there. Put this guy back on. Well, we're going to close it, obviously. And then put that guy back on. Put this guy on. And we're good to go. Easy. Obviously we'll dust that off, but real simple. You just take your tweezers and just kind of dig in, and it pops right off. You don't have to wedge it in there, nothing. It doesn't break, and that way you can kind of divvy it out accordingly. That's a lot. I got a ton left. Yeah, back when you used to get your money's worth. You still do, but anyway, so that's another way to kind of save up or pop it off if you like the container. That works with a lot of these. It works with like foundation and stuff too. So, and now we are good to go. So we got one for travel, pack up.